Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at a cleaning marvel that promises to simplify your life, the BISSELL Little Green Mini Portable Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner. If you've ever battled unexpected spills, pet accidents, or just general grime on your favorite fabrics, this compact powerhouse might be exactly what you need. The BISSELL Little Green Mini is engineered to deliver a powerful clean without taking up much space. Its core function involves a simple yet effective three-step process: spraying a cleaning solution, scrubbing with its specialized tool, and then powerfully suctioning away the dirt and stains. This versatility means it's not just for carpets, think upholstery, car interiors, pet beds, and even those hard-to-reach areas like staircases that traditional cleaners often miss. The lightweight and compact design is a real game-changer for accessibility and storage, fitting neatly into cabinets or closets when not in use. A standout feature is the included HydroRinse self-cleaning hose tool. This ingenious addition ensures that maintaining your cleaner is as easy as using it, preventing clogs and odors. You also get a 4-inch tough stain tool with a removable lens, perfect for concentrating power on embedded dirt. And speaking of power, it effectively tackles dander, dust, and pollen allergens, making your home a healthier sanctuary. One of the most compelling aspects of the BISSELL brand is their commitment to pets. Every purchase of the Little Green Mini contributes to the BISSELL Pet Foundation, supporting their mission to save pets in need, a cause many of us deeply care about. From a user perspective, the BISSELL Little Green Mini generally receives high praise for its reliable and quality design. Many reviewers highlight its durable construction and consistent performance as significant pros, noting that it truly delivers on its promise to lift tough messes. It also comes equipped with a great set of features for its compact size, offering considerable value. However, it's always wise to consider a few points. Current pricing can fluctuate, so we always recommend checking the product page for the most up-to-date information. Additionally, while overall feedback is positive, consulting recent customer reviews on Amazon can provide valuable insights into specific user experiences and long-term satisfaction. This particular model is especially well-suited for buyers who prioritize technical details and a comprehensive feature set within a portable and easy-to-store form factor. In conclusion, for those seeking an efficient, versatile, and compact solution for spot cleaning and deep cleaning smaller areas, the BISSELL Little Green Mini is a strong contender. All the links for this product, including where to find the best deals and customer reviews, are conveniently located in the comments and description below. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more balanced insights into everyday products.